Hey guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to be teaching you a very simple mechanical market structure trading strategy, and not just market structure. Is more like you trading with the banks. Okay, smart money concept. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, I will just dive into this. All I just want you to do is to subscribe and also like this video, and make sure you watch this video from beginning to end so that you can understand every bit of this video. So right now, you all know that I do start my analysis from the daily time frame. Okay, so from the daily time frame I start my analysis. Okay, so first of all, I do like to identify where the market is pushing to get my directional bias. Okay, you can see that this market has been going higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Then something now happened here. Okay, created a higher high. Instead of it to create a higher low, it took it out, created what? A lower low. Okay, and now it's creating a lower high. Okay, so this is a lower high here. What are we expecting for this market to still sell to take out what? This low. Okay, so right now our directional bias as of now, I will just say this. Okay, let me just give you the final tip here. So the way it is that the market has changed from downtrend to an uptrend. Okay, so it has changed from an uptrend to a downtrend. Okay, and all we just want to focus more on is selling. Okay, so right now we have something happening. Okay, after that, this daily took out this low right here. You can see this weekly low. You can see the market is already pulling back, and if you have been watching my videos, you should know about this concept. So whenever a market take out a strong low, the market do pull back to a discounted price level just for it to sell down and continue the trend. So I plotted a Fibonacci retracement, if you all can remember, and this was it right here. Okay, as you can see right here, the market already on the 50% mark. You can see it here. It has traded into it. Okay, and this is the analysis here. Okay, so right now we're just going to delete this. The market now has changed trend as of this point, changed trend, and came back to mitigate this demand level here. Okay, and what is happening now is that the market has tapped into it. It has changed trend from here. Okay, because it has taken out that low, but we're going to see more this thing on it on the 4-hour time frame. So without wasting much of your time, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, what are we seeing here? Okay, this is the 50%. You all can see what happened here, and on the 4-hour we had this low. Okay, we had this low, and I even marked out this low as a liquidity. Okay, I marked it as a liquidity because the market might still continue, but that one is already gone, and we are just going to focus mainly on this one now. And we have this demand right here, and we have this supply right here. This is what happened that yesterday. Okay, this is exactly how the price action really get to happen and stuff like that. Okay, so and we already have a 4-hour order block around here. Okay, so this is just the way it looks. And that is it for that one. And we have this high taken to. Okay, so right now, has the market switched bearish? I think yes. Okay, until we also still break this low, it will make more sense. So let's go to the 1 hour. So on the 4 hour, you can see what happened here. This is exactly what happened yesterday. So in case if you're on the chart, congratulations to you, because I was not, okay? I was not. This was the low here that I'm telling you, the market has used to change that trend since it has tapped into what, our zone. That is why we are no more interested in taking more of buys now, because of what, the market has tapped into our order block, sorry, into our 50% discounted price level. So this was the trade yesterday. Okay, you can see the way I marked out a simple supply level there, and it was very clean. It was a very clean trade actually. And we have this zone here. This is what the market came to mitigate exactly. So the market just exactly came to mitigate. And this was this. And yeah, let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. You all can see the way I'm scaling down to the lower time frame just to show you how this thing works. Okay, so I expect you all to always do the same as well. Whenever you are trading, go to the lower time frame. Also try to see what's going on. Try to get what's going on, okay? And yeah, this is more like the entry here. This one is an aggressive entry, but it could have been a wide stop loss, a 105 pips stop loss, just 100 point stop loss to target 311 points. That is 1 to 3%. Okay, you are going to make 3% if you enter this trade, but this is the one here that I mostly waited for the buys here. Okay, but I didn't take it still. So let's go to the 5 minutes. So on the 5 minutes, this market came here. Okay, this was what you were meant to be looking at. Okay, it came here, created this low, created this higher high again, higher low, then took it out. Okay, it took it out. What happened? You should have marked out your supply like this, so your demand like this. Okay, and the market came into it, tapped into it. This is how it's supposed to be. So this was supposed to be your limit entry. It was supposed to be a limit entry right here. Okay, I'm trying to keep that tight the way it's supposed to be and target this high first, which is 4.69, which is your reward. But it ran 3% and it came back to your stop loss. But as of this point, you should have broken even. Okay, that is one first win, which should have been like at least you've made 2% from that trade. Okay, and see what happened there. The market took it out again. You can see it took out this low. And what happened? This was the high that we're going to mark out next. Okay, and the market still came to take this, create this high again after it took out that low. You can see, and this was the high we are going to be looking at this point now. Now the high has been taken and there was a small demand, a very small one, or you can just mark out this entire zone just for you not to miss it out. And the market just came softly into that zone, like it came very nice, came into 25% of that zone. And yeah, this was the clean trader. I think most of you here, if you're watching my videos, should have taken this trade yesterday. It was very clean. And yes, this was 8 points. Yeah, it's 1 to 8 trade. Yes, just 1 to 8 trade. And if you still have your limit, if you're not tagged in, you should have had this. You should have had this like this still. Okay. Stop loss was just meant to be below that low. That is making it 9 RR trade. And this one too should have been somewhere here, and it has hit your TP this morning. If you have taken it at least for to target this liquidity here, you can see. So guys, there's nothing much about this strategy. It's just very simple, very mechanical, just simple, simplicity is the name. Okay. And yes, this is how you be getting high risk to reward trades. Very, very simple and clean. It doesn't require much stress actually. It does not. It just makes sense and very simple. There's no need to be drawing support and resistance all over the chart, all those shits for the old days. So if you're interested in joining my mentorship for you to catch this 9 hour trade like this, keep on catching it. If you're interested in having this skill, just message me on my telegram, and or you read the description of this video. That's where I have the description of the course and everything and all you need to pay and do. Okay, so see you guys on the next video. I love you all. Bye. Subscribe.